Fly. Fly like this. You can do it.
Ouch! It's not working. Maybe a bird can teach him how to fly. That's a good idea. Look! A butterfly! The butterfly is flying.
Fly.
Can you say fly? Yes, fly.
Fly. An airplane is flying. Eat. I'll eat a cookie.
I'll eat a carrot. I'll eat a banana.
Eat.
Can you say eat? Yes, eat.
Eat. They are eating together. Drink.
Oh, I am thirsty, but there's no water to drink.
Same here. I am thirsty.
Mommy, I am thirsty. I want to drink some juice.
Drink juice?
Aww. The juice is on the table. Wow.
Drink.
Can you say drink? Yes, drink.
Drink. A boy is drinking some milk. Walk. That smells delicious. Bread. I like bread. Oh my! Casey, did you get here by yourself? Yes, I did. Try to walk some more. Walk. Walk.
Can you say walk? Yes, walk.
Walk. Walking in the park. Draw.
Me too.
Don't be sad, kids. I have an idea. You can draw wherever you want to go. I drew a C. We can see it at home.
Great! Let's draw a forest.
Draw.
Can you say draw? Yes, draw.
Draw. A girl is drawing a house. Which one shows drinking? Drink. Which one shows flying? fly? Which one shows eating? Eat. Which one shows walking? Walk. Which one shows drawing? Draw. Shake. What are you doing?
We're shaking.
We're making juice.
Shake the glass, please.
Wow, yummy!
Yummy. Let's shake.
Shake.
Can you say shake? Yes, shake.
Shake. Shake the body. Wash.
Wash! Wash!
Oh, look at his legs.
Okay. Wash. 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 Finally, wash the big apple.
Wash.
Can you say wash? Yes, wash.
Wash. A girl is washing an apple. Hug.
Abby, let me hug you. Hug, hug. Kim, let's hug. Hug, hug.
Let's all hug.
Hug, hug.
Hug.
Can you say hug? Yes, hug.
Hug. A girl is hugging her mommy. Sleep.
Look, chickens!
Hi, Mother Hen. She is sleeping. The little chicks are sleeping too. What's that sound? Oh, it's a cat. Shh, the cat is sleeping in the grass.
Sleep.
Can you say sleep? Yes, sleep.
Sleep. A dog is sleeping. Sit.
I have an idea. A hot dog. Casey, you are so smart. Sausage. Sit on the scooter, please.
Sit.
Can you say sit? Yes, sit.
Sit. A boy is sitting on a rug. Which one shows washing? Wash. Which one shows shaking? Shake. Which one shows hugging? Hug. Which one shows sitting? Sit. Which one shows sleeping? Sleep.
You are great!